Hello, my boys and girls. I really missed you, Wendy. And because I really miss you, I wanted to say your name one by one. So I want to say your names Abdullah, Bara, Hamid, Hamza Muhammad, Hamza Khaira, Jamil, Jude, Judy, Karam, Kenzi, Khadija, Lulia, Maryam, Mu'tasim, Omar Al Walid, Omar Riyad, Ryan, Salma, Yasin, and Ziad. I'm sending to all of you, Wendy, a very, very big hug and kisses. And let's see what we're going to do today. We're going to share this code first. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. So I want you to promise me to keep learning, though we don't have school these days, but still you can learn from where you are. Open the videos, listen to your lessons carefully, answer the questions, and be self-learners. Learn because of the sake of learning, because you want to learn, not because of the grades. Okay? Now let's see what we will do today. Unit 8, Objects in the Sky. We're going to review on all what we have learned. If you remember in the first lesson, we've studied the objects that we see in the sky during daytime and nighttime. And then in the second lesson, we've studied how the sky seems to change and how the objects in the sky change from daytime to nighttime. Okay? And today we'll talk more about shadow. And before we do that, we're going to watch this video. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. And as you notice, the shadow changes its position, exactly like how the sun also is changing its position. So when in the morning, it's different than noon, because when during the morning time, the sun is not very close, so your shadow will be longer, right? But if it is noontime, the sun is right above you and it's close enough, so the shadow is what? Is shorter. So I hope that you're ready to answer these questions together. When is the shadow longer? According to the video and according to what you have learned. Okay, great job. During morning time. Why? Because during that time the sun is not that close. It's a bit far from the earth. For this reason, you can see the shadow longer. Okay, another question. When the shadow is shorter? Perfect. During noontime. Why? Because at that time the sun is really close to the earth, so you can see the shadow shorter. Okay, now let's talk about moon phase. And the moon phases, the different moon phases we have. I'm going to show you 3 phases of the moon. You can see the first one here. The left half of the moon is all dark, right? We call this phase, if you remember, I'm sure that you do remember. Perfect. First quarter moon. Okay, how about if this part is dark, the right part is dark? We call it third quarter of a moon. Great job. Okay, when we look at this phase, what do we call it? Perfect, a complete or a full moon. Great job. And look at this one, when it's completely dark. What do we call this? Excellent, you're really doing a great job. We call it a new moon. We know that the phases of the moon and the moon changes along the month, or not exactly a full month, 28 days. Okay, so we call this one new moon. Great job. Okay, let's watch this video together.
Daring to land our spacecraft on the moon. Houston, we have a It's my time to shine. It's my time to shine. It's now, so it's time to shine.
Good evening, it's the moon, here to regale you with the tune. I'm so bright up in the sky at night, but the truth is I'm just reflecting light. See, let me help you break it down. The earth and I are spinning around, and I orbit the earth in a loop.
You see, the moon is kind of like my hula hoop.
We both orbit the sun, he's the big shot.
I'm the center of the solar system, I'm so hot.
The sun's like a light bulb, and I'm like a mirror. Light bounces off me, and then it appears to the earth below for a lovely view. For animals like wolves who go, sometimes I'm full, sometimes half on, sometimes I'm present, or it looks like I'm gone, but I'm here in the dark, just a lonely moon. Hoping that somebody will visit me soon. I'm covered in dust and I'm made of rock, so come see me soon and go on a moonwalk.
It's my time to shine. It's my time to shine.
All that day and that night, we can see the moonshine.
It's my time to shine. It's my time to shine.
I'm planting this flag on the mountain I climbed. One small step for a storybot, one giant leap for a storybot kind.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. And now let's do this guessing game. You need to guess the word, and you need to promise me that you're gonna pause the video and guess the word yourself. Are you ready? Let's start. You use me to magnify things. Who am I? Think. Great job, telescope. Okay, see the next one. I give off light. Who am I? Great job, the star. Perfect, let's go. I am a dark place. I appear when the light is blocked. Who am I? Great job, the shadow. I can be gray. I can be white. I change shape and move a lot. Who am I? Excellent, the cloud. Great job. You are doing a really great job. I'm so proud of you. Okay, so I think this one will be very easy for all of you. We have a table here. We have different time of the day. We have daytime sky, nighttime sky, gives off its own light, moves or seems to move. And these are the words we have in the box. Sun, clouds, stars, moon. Daytime sky, what do we see? I want you to pause the video before I show you the answer. Great job. Clouds, sun, moon. Okay, nighttime sky, what do we see? Don't forget to pause the video. Perfect. Clouds, stars, moon. You're doing a great job. Okay, what is the object that gives off its own light? Perfect. Sun and stars. Okay, what are the objects moves or seems to move? Great job. Sun, moon, clouds, stars. Okay, thank you for your great work. I'm sure that you're enjoying it like I am enjoying it too. Okay, now this is your favorite part. You're gonna correct the mistakes. Are you ready? Okay. The sun moves in the sky. Is that correct? Before I write the answer, I want you to pause the video and guess. Great job. Earth turns around. That's why the sun's position changes. Okay? Not that the moon is moving. No, it is the earth. Earth is turning around. Okay? Great job. Okay, let's see the next one. The moon gives off light. Is that correct? No, it's not. Yes, and here is the answer. The moon reflects the sunlight to Earth. Perfect. Let's see the coming one. The moon is seen at the night only. Is that correct? Of course not. The moon can be seen sometimes in the day, during the daytime. Great job. Okay, you are doing a really great job, Wendy. Miss She will miss you a lot. If you have any questions, please ask me. I'll be very happy to hear from you. Till we meet, take care and goodbye.